You ever go to a restaurant, they have that white sauce? Let me show you how to make some at home. It's super easy. All you need are 8 ingredients. So don't go out and buy white sauce, you can make your own. Alright, grab a bowl, put in the 3 ingredients that make the base of the white sauce. Some yogurt, some mayo, some sour cream, some salt, garlic powder, parsley, some lemon juice, and vinegar. Now we gotta mix it, and mix it, and mix it. Eventually, it'll get to this consistency. You can use this on anything, from chicken and rice to any salad. So don't go out there and waste money buying white sauce, because now you know how to make it yourself. Time to eat? I'm hungry. No, really, I'm hungry. This video took me an hour to make.